Z. Gervasio and the Lady Eagles gain the upper hand here in set number 2, and they're up by 1-8-7 and also have one set in the bag, winning the first set 25-16.
Serving for the Lady Eagles, number 6, Z. Gervasio.
One of the stronger hitters. One of the more powerful open spikers, itong si Gervasio, pero he is prone to service errors because of that jump serve, no?
And may mga errors tayo nakikita here on the side of Ateneo. It would be on, actually at the service area. We've seen quite a few.
Ferrer.
Oh, look at that.
Reyes. They go to Reyes again.
Gets it.
Plenty of trust and confidence coming from Coach Mamon on Reyes. Ingrid Julian Reyes.
Ortiz.
Hall.
That's it, Hall.
9-all.
Getting a good angle.
Take another look.
Gretchen Hall. Serving.
Quite a deceptive play
Ateneo.
for one of the more popular Lady Eagles. 9-all, set number 2.
Set is a bit too close to the net for Reyes.
But still, ano? Kita mo yung smarts niya, volleyball smarts. Just tipped it across and it hit yung antenna. Pag ang signal po natin sa volleyball, pag tinamaan yung antenna, that's already outside or out of bounds. So puntos agad para sa UST. Jump serve also para kay Ingrid Reyes.
Oh, but Nakati
With a shoot set.
gets that point.
10-all.
A better set para sa UST. Ano? Mas dikit sila ngayon with Ateneo compared to set number 1. They maybe have been able to assess their performance in set number 1 and become more calm coming into set number 2. That's
Outside
out of
shot by
bounds
Valdez.
from Valdez.
It's probably a good rotation as well for UST as Banatila is in the front line. Caballero as well.
So hopefully they can take advantage of that, ano?
For UST.
And really move the offense on both sides of the court if for UST. Valdez, good save by Reyes. Reyes from the back row.
Oh,
Gets a help from the net.
point.
Well, UST at this point will get anything they can get their hands on. They're up by 2, 12-10.
Reyes wasn't ready for that set, but nonetheless, it's still a point for them.
Team captain, Rhea Dumaculan.
And that's a sign of a good player, no? Whatever comes your way, you make something out of it. Hindi yung pipili ka kung ano lang yung gusto mong klaseng baton darating sa'yo, di ba?
That's right.
Kainglet. Panatikla.
Good block there from Ateneo. But good coverage as well from UST.
They spread it around tulad ng napag-usapan natin kanina. Dalawang open spikers ang nasa harap ng UST, Panatikla and Caballero. Pero Caballero medyo pinapos yung tira. They tried it on one side, the left side of the court, and then they moved it over to the other, to the right side. And sayang. Lastimosa hit that shot for Uste. Good block. Oh, battle. Joust at the net. Caballero winning that one. Lazaro made a good effort chasing it down, but it was a little too late for that. Take another look.
They were concentrated on this side, actually. Yung palitan nandito lang sa area ng outside hitter.
Eh, si Lazaro hinabol pa rin, pero unable to recover. Ferrer, back set.
The net violation error very clear
Banatila.
by Banatila.
Neck and neck battle here in set number 2. 12 serving 13.
A. Nakachi serving for Ateneo.
Vallejo, good flick of the wrist that time. Very solid hit.
Definitely a much better set for UST. And now we see a lot more people contributing in terms of attacks.
No? It was almost all Banaticla in set number 1. Pero may medyo napahinga to si Banaticla. But the defense not set for UST that time. And nakapuntos easily ang Ateneo.
Eliza Valdez, serving.
Well, the much talked about, highly hyped Eliza Valdez of Ateneo. Oh, solid serve, an ace. All, just like that, 2-0 run by the Lady Eagles. Ties it up.
Valdez.
Oh, Valdez hitting that straight into the net. A lot of service errors here for the Lady Eagles.
Oh, that's true, no? Since the first quarter, marami, no?
Not too much when the ball is in play. It's really coming from the service area.
Valdez from the back row. Oh, beautiful cut shot.
Look at that, making something out of, a ball that was just nearly saved.
And you saw how UST reacted. They didn't have any. Nakatayo lang, napako lahat, ano? I mean, who would have expected the ball going that way? I mean, the angle was so acute. Ferrer can't win against Ortiz that time. Oh, beautiful shot again.
Off-speed shot there from Kainglet.
Ateneo using volleyball smarts to gain the upper hand here in set number 2. They're up by 1, 16-15.